Hey you guys, welcome back to your video. I saw. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been busy with some other stuff. I hope you guys understand. All of that, and then we have that out the way. It's time to check out the update in Driving Empire. So we got Lexus licensed, the 2012 Lexus LFA Nürburgring edition. I hope I pronounced that right. And this is going to cost you 3.7 million. And the other Lexus they added is the LC 500, which is this one here. And they also added new sounds for these cars, so let's check them out. Okay, let's test it out on the Lexus LFA. You see the sound of this. Sounds alright. It's a beautiful car though. Make sure to get this car while you can. It's gonna be here for 2 weeks. That's what Driving Empire does. They put limiteds on for 2 weeks, so I recommend you get this one as soon as you can. And also, one of the Lamborghinis got a new sound in this update, which is the 2019 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. You see the sound of this one. For this Friday's update, we got 2 new cars and a new updated car sound for the Lamborghini SVJ. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos are coming. More videos are coming this year, so stay tuned and goodbye.